The Power Interest Grid is a 2x2 matrix for stakeholder engagement. Plot stakeholders based on their power and interest levels. High power, high interest. Manage closely. Tactic. Hold short, regular check-ins focused on decisions. High power, low interest. Keep satisfied. Tactic. Send concise summaries at key milestones. Low power, high interest. Keep informed. Tactic. Periodic group updates explaining progress. Low power, low interest. Monitor. Only include them in major communication broadcasts. Keep scanning for changes in their power or interest. Tailor your engagement approach to project context. Engaging the right stakeholders drives project success.